Angela Deem's sports bra look was a misfire. Angela wants to embrace her loose skin. Angela's transformation after her breakup has surprised many 90 Day Fiancé viewers. Recently, she has been making bold fashion choices that may not be the most flattering for her body shape. In June 2024, Angela shared a video of herself posing in a tight-fitting outfit, highlighting her progress in losing over 120 pounds in the last 4 years. Although Angela's weight loss journey is still ongoing, her newfound confidence is clear in her choice of clothing to showcase her transformation on camera. She's totally fine sporting outfits that show off her loose skin from shedding weight so quickly. Angela Deem tries too hard in skimpy stars and stripes top. In May 2024, Angela posted a selfie in the mirror wearing a skimpy designer top with a big slit in the middle. The dress showed Angela's cleavage and drew attention to the loose skin around her neck. The 90 Day Fiancé franchise star also wore a dark headband that clashed with her red, white, and blue American flag-inspired top. Angela's post received over 8K likes. However, most of the visible comments were against her outfit choice. An Instagram user wrote, "Sweetheart, I'm 62 and have kept fit. At our age, respecting elegance is better than glorifying classlessness, sweetly educating Angela like her sister." Another user commented, "There's nothing sexy about Angela other than she's turning into leather." People pointed out Angela's bad outfit because it highlighted that she hadn't yet achieved a toned body. The fact that she wore her pants too high above her midriff made it look like she was trying to hide her abdomen for some reason.